Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tom Jackson how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to load up the Massimo mini Jeep into the back of my pickup truck using the Harbor Freight Haul Master 11x80 folding ramps. All right, and I also made a custom chain here for the back of the pickup truck. We'll show you how we use that to give the winch a good solid spot to winch onto for the back of the truck too as well. So once again, we're going to show you how to load up the mini Jeep onto the back of my pickup truck. So there's the mini Jeep, and we'll go ahead and get the ramp set up, and we'll show you how to get the ramp set up. All right, so we're going to show you how to put on the chain first. This is the chain I created. It's just about 5 foot, you know, the width of a back of a pickup truck, whatever you need. And then I've got 2 holes in the back there. We're going to show you how we install this chain for our anchor point for the winch. For the back. So then we got these ramps. These are folding ramps. They fold up. There's a strap that you use to anchor it down to the bottom. We'll go ahead and show you how we install these.